Neck pain is a real thing. And those of you who are watching this video, I'm sure have experienced neck pain at least one time in your life. Neck pain is the fourth leading cause of disability. And for the most part, sudden or acute neck pain resolves on its own. But unfortunately, at least 50% of people get reoccurring neck pain at least in their lifetime. So in this video, I'm going to show you two very simple exercises that you can do right now as you're watching this video, or whether it's on the computer or on the phone, that you can do to help alleviate your neck pain in as simple as 30 seconds. Lego. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Dr. Lift for Change, Justin Lee, physical therapist. So, neck pain, how does it occur? So neck pain comes from a variety of reasons, which I'm gonna list, but they're not limited to poor posture or poor ergonomics, which is probably you and for a lot of people right now who are watching on a video, on a phone, on a computer, repetitive motions, traumas, sports injuries, infections, tumors, and sometimes even psychosocial categories like anxiety, depression, job satisfaction if you're not happy with your job, and high stress. So in this video, we're going to be covering how to help your neck pain today that is related to poor posture or poor ergonomics. So research conducted by Best Practices and Research in Clinical Rheumatology noted that higher incidences of neck pain come from office and computer workers. I'm not surprised. They said that the prevalence is generally higher in women and higher in high-income countries compared to low-income and middle-income countries, and higher in urban compared to rural areas. Why is that? So typically, right, if you're on an office or computer, you're in this posture where your shoulders are forward, your back is curved forward, and your head is forward. Everything is literally forward, right? And in women, right, they have some anatomical stuff that men don't have, which cause extra weight to be put forward. I mean, imagine at least 5 or 10 pounds just in front of your chest, gentlemen, and it just causes you to move forward. I mean, that itself already makes my neck freaking hurt talking about that. And in higher income countries, typically are more white collar workers versus blue collar workers, meaning they are more on the computer, right? So all of that makes a ton of sense. Follow me so far? Give this video a like if you follow so far. Alright, so let's go over those two exercises that I promised you. But before we get into that, it's really important that you understand basic anatomy and basic mechanics so that it's just easier for you to conceptualize what exactly you're doing. So, when you're in this forward head posture, right, your body, your thoracic spine, and your shoulder are forward and hunched. And of course, along with that, because our head sits on top of our thorax, our head is gonna come forward too. So you can see that the muscles at the back of your neck are lengthened. Typically, this is the levator scapulae muscle. And then the muscles at the base of the skull are shortened or tight. And why is that? Everything is forward, but our computer screen is in front of us. So we're gonna have to tilt our head up and shorten those muscles right at the base of the neck in order to look at the screen or look at the phone. So I'm gonna show you two very simple exercises to help you out right now. So look, guys, everything is coming forward, right? So exercise number one is called a chin tuck. Now a chin tuck is basically reversing the process of bringing everything back into alignment, right? So ideally you wanna have the ears stay right above the shoulders, in line with the shoulders, but you also wanna keep the shoulders back, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll your shoulders back and then tuck that chin back forward. And you can see how when I do this, That helps lengthen out those neck muscles, and that helps normalize the muscles of the muscles in the back of the neck, or the levator scapulae muscle. Super simple. So literally, all you have to do is just get in a good posture, shoulders back, tuck your chin, and hold it like that for 30 seconds. That's it. But this has to be intentional, because you're gonna do it and you're gonna hold it, and maybe like 5 or 10 seconds after, you're gonna lose your focus and you're gonna lose that stretch. So I want you to stay focused, hold it for 30 seconds. You're forward here, get your shoulders back, tuck your chin, and hold it. You can even close your eyes to try to visualize the muscles in the back of the neck to stretch, and hold that for 30 seconds. This exercise is super simple. I encourage you to hold this for 30 seconds and do this about 2 to 5 times right now. It literally will take you about 2 minutes to complete, okay? So now the second exercise. Now, do you remember how I mentioned the shoulders come forward and the thoracic spine starts to hunch forward as well, right? So now we're gonna reverse that process by putting our hands behind our head, supporting our head, and arching the back just like that. So you're here and you're arching, looking up, but making sure you're not tilting your head all the way back, and literally just holding here. You hold this for 2 seconds, 1, 2, and come back. 1, 2, and come back. You do this 10 to 15 times, that equals to about 30 seconds. And same thing, you do these about 2 to 5 sets, and boom, right there, I know that you're gonna have neck pain relief right now as you're watching this video, or after you watch this video. Guys, if this video helped you alleviate some of your neck pain and you learned how some neck pain occurs, please give this a like and share this video with somebody who has neck pain right now. You can be the person to help somebody from their aching neck pain right now. Just share this video with them and they will be so happy that you did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you do this. Please leave some comments if you have any questions or some feedback for me. All right, stay lifting, stay aloha, stay stretching. Have a great one, you guys.